All right, when you're watching this video, you should definitely be a 8th grade general math, so not in Algebra 1. You should have me 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, or 7th period. And it's probably Tuesday, February 16th. It's probably our second e-learning day, assuming we get hit with all this snow that we're supposed to get hit with on Monday. Anyway, we're going to learn how to graph vertical and horizontal lines. It might not show up very well on your video. I'm recording with an iPad. I can't really tell when I look, but there's a red line that's vertical. Vertical means up and down. So like an athlete, if you test his or her vertical, you're testing how high that athlete can jump. And then the green line that comes across here is a horizontal line. A lot of people think, well, if you look out and you see the horizon, you're looking left and right. Horizontal, horizon. That's kind of the association they make. So vertical is up and down, horizontal is left and right. We're going to learn how to come up with the equation of these and how to graph these today. So let me just kind of mark over this. It's going to be a little wobbly, but I know this will show up on the video. So there I have a vertical line. And I'm going to start plotting some points on this line. I don't have this centered, so in other words, the origin isn't in the middle. I have the origin over here, just so you can kind of orient yourself on where we are. So this is 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 0. So I'm just plotting some points that are on this vertical line. Here we have 4, -1, 4, -2, 4, -3, 4, -4, 4, -5. And that's all the points I can plot before I run out of room. But hopefully you realize that x is 4, 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 x is 4. The x value is always 4. Guess what the equation of this line is? X is 4. X equals 4. That's the equation of that vertical line. Now, I know that seems really easy, and you're thinking, well, how could I possibly mess this up? Here's where people mess up. When they think of an x-coordinate, they think left and right. Well, this line is going up and down. So don't think about whether or not x means up, down, left, right, any of that kind of stuff. Ask yourself, what kind of line has an x value that never changes? And it's going to be a vertical line, because no matter where we are, we always go 4 to the right, 4 to the right, 4 to the right, 4 to the right. The x value never changes on a vertical line, so the entire equation is just x is 4. I'm going to do the same thing on this green horizontal line. You can probably predict what is about to happen. Now, I'm not going to plot every single point, but here we have -5, -2. -2, -2. 0, -2. 1, -2. 4, -2. 5, -2. 9, -2. This time, y is -2, 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 y is -2. It's the y value that never changes. So this equation is y is -2. And again, when people think about y coordinates, they think about up and down. Well, this is going left and right. So it's not about which direction does y go. That's the way the line goes. That's not the correlation you need to make. The correlation you need to make is what never changes on a horizontal line, and it's how far up and down a horizontal line is. It's always, in this case, 2 down, 2 down, 2 down, 2 down. So it's the y value that never changes on these. All right, I got a feeling this is about to time out. So let me go over here and change something up. So if I'm going to graph these, and we're given the equation x equals -3. X equals a number is always a vertical line. You go to where x is -3, 1, 2, 3, and then you make that vertical line, and you're literally done. They are that easy, okay? I told you it's going to be the easiest thing that you do. We have y equals 7. Y never changes on a horizontal line. So you go to where y is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make a horizontal line going through y equals 7. That's it. You're done. They are that easy, okay? So let's do a couple more. Y equals -9. So that's going to be a horizontal line going through where y is -9, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Line up your straight edge and make your horizontal line. There you go. You graph the line y equals -9. No matter what point we land at, the y value is going to be -9 every single time. X equals 0. Okay, so on one like that, x equals 0. Well, we don't go left and right at all. We stay right here at the origin. That's vertical. So we actually end up graphing the y-axis. It's kind of weird to think about. The equation for the y-axis is x equals 0. And the same is true for the x-axis. That line is y equals 0. But again, it's not about x means left and right. X equals 0 because the x values never change on vertical lines. Okay, that's it for this video. Short and sweet. Your homework will be attached to the Google Classroom. See you guys.